Hello friends, welcome to our today's tutorial. Today we will look at how to use an Hall magnetic sensor with the Arduino. A Hall effect sensor is a sensor that varies its output based on the presence or absence of magnetic field. This means that the output signal produced by a Hall effect sensor is a function of magnetic field density around it. When the magnetic flux density around it exceeds certain preset threshold value, the sensor detects it and generates an output voltage, sometimes called the Hall voltage, to indicate the presence of the magnetic field. The Hall sensors became very popular due to their versatility, and they are used in many different applications. One of the popular application of Hall effect sensor is in automotive system, where they are used to detect position, measure distance and speed. They are also used in modern devices like smartphones and computers, and also used in different types of switches where the presence of magnetic field is used to either activate or deactivate a circuit. The Hall magnetic sensor consists of a 3144 EUAS sensitive Hall effect switch for high temperature operation, a 680 ohm resistor and an LED, compatible with popular electronics platform like Arduino and Raspberry. Now come on to the circuit diagram. Connect the power line and ground to the positive 5 volt and ground respectively. Connect signal to the pin number 3 on the Arduino. Now let's see how you can interface your Hall magnetic sensor with the Arduino. Thus, this is all about the Hall magnetic sensor. For more updates, just log on to www.rapidz360.in and don't forget to share, like and subscribe our YouTube channel.